Hey everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of an ERTL Culdee which I received today. This is the ERTL Culdee. Let's grab and get him out here. This is Culdee right here. On the back it reads, Culdee is a sensible one of the mountain railway. He and his coach Catherine are a fine team and are favorites with the passengers. But he does like a bit of excitement and tells great stories about the other engines. So he seems unlike Godred. He seems like a happy guy. He doesn't seem like Godred, who was very like stuck up and just conceited and not good to get along with. Let me just get him out of here. I am gonna open this. This is sealed in the box. So I am gonna carefully get this out of here like I do with most of my other ERTLs. Okay, and I'm just gonna slide him out. I'm going to show them to you guys. And here is Culdee. Right here. And he is really nice. I really like him. He's purple and he does have the face on the back, like I said, which can scare people. And this time you can't get your finger caught inside the top of the thing here because his is smaller than Godred's, his windows. So I find that really interesting, guys. But yeah, that's my unboxing of Culdee, the ERTL Culdee, and I'm going to do an unboxing of another box pretty soon, so check that out. Thank you.